Alright, so we're going to be doing some heart auscultation. Hey Jared, I'm going to be your physical therapist today. We're just going to listen to your heart sounds. I've got 4 different spots that I'm going to take a listen to. You just sit back and relax and take some deep breaths if you don't mind. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to start up here at the top. Listen to the aortic and the pulmonic valves. Come down here below and listen to the mitral and the tricuspid. And that is all.